Method 1. How to restore Procreate drawings via Coolmuster iPhone data recovery. Step 1. Download and run the software. Then select the Recover from iTunes Backup File option from the left sidebar. Choose an iTunes backup file from the list on the interface. Then click the Start Scan button. Step 2. Please check the types of data you want to recover. Then click on the Start Scan icon at the bottom right corner. Then, you can preview the iTunes backup file on your computer. Step 3. Click on a category. Then choose between the detailed deleted files and existing files on the right side. Finally, click on the Recover to Computer icon to start recovering files from the iTunes backup. Method 2. How to recover deleted Procreate files with iTunes. However, this method will overwrite all data on your iPad, so please make sure to back up your data before restoring. Step 1. Connect your iPad or iPhone to your computer and open iTunes. Step 2. Click on your iPad or iPhone icon. Then select the Restore Backup button. Step 3. Choose a backup file that contains your Procreate files, then click the Restore button. Step 4. After the restoration is complete, you can open Procreate on your iPad or iPhone and view your Procreate drawings. Method 3. How to restore Procreate drawings from iCloud backup. If you haven't backed up your iPad or iPhone using iTunes but have used iCloud backup instead, you can also restore Procreate files from iCloud backup. However, this method will also overwrite all data on your iPad iPhone, so please make sure to back up your data before restoring. Step 1. Open Settings on your iPad or iPhone, then select General Reset Erase all content and settings. Step 2. Wait for your iPad or iPhone to restart, then follow the on-screen instructions until you see the option Restore from iCloud Backup. Step 3. Choose a backup file that contains your Procreate files. Then enter your Apple ID and password to begin the restoration. Step 4. After the restoration is complete, you can open Procreate on your iPad or iPhone and view your Procreate drawings. Method 4. How to restore Procreate files by contacting the Procreate support team. If you haven't backed up your iPad or iPhone using iTunes or iCloud, or if your backup files don't contain the Procreate files you want to recover, you can try reaching out to the Procreate support team for assistance. Step 1. Navigate to the official Procreate website using a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Step 2. Locate the support or contact link on the website and click on it to access the support page. Step 3. On this page, you'll find various options to contact the Procreate support team. Step 4. Select the method that best fits your preference and provide them with the relevant details regarding your issue or inquiry.